Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your side hustle with Squarespace easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started to create one. Fill in your details and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once logged in, select a template that aligns with your side hustle's vision. Browse through the available categories to find the perfect design. After choosing a template, click on Start with this design to proceed. You'll now be taken to the website editor, where you can customize your site. Begin by updating the site title with your brand name. Next, upload a logo that represents your side hustle. Now, head to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Here, you can add new pages, such as About, Services, and Contact. Click on Plus to create a new page and select the page type you need. Customize each page by clicking on it and using the editor. Add text blocks, images, and videos to provide engaging content. If you offer services, consider adding a services page with detailed descriptions. For your contact options, include a contact form to make it easy for inquiries. To protect your side hustle, ensure you have clear terms of service. In the Settings area, find the Site Availability option. Select Password Protected if you want to restrict access during development. Now, set up a domain if you haven't done so. Go to the Settings section and click Domains. You can either purchase a new domain or connect an existing one. Once your domain is set, navigate to the Commerce section if you plan to sell products. Set up your payment details to receive payments securely. To increase security, enable SSL by navigating to the Settings and then Advanced. Here, toggle the SSL setting to keep. After you've finalized all edits, preview your site to see how it looks. Make necessary adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied, click on the Launch Site button to make it live. Promote your site through social media and word of mouth to attract visitors. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and engaging. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.